Hey, so in this video we're going to be looking at pipeline concurrency. So in any pipeline editor there's a concurrency button here, and if it's enabled that means that you can have no more than this number of active pipeline runs at a given time. So if I do this, I'll just demo it, I'll publish, and you can see this is managed in your pipeline YAML, and I will run the first one. This should work. I'll then run a second one, which I'm expecting to work as well. So you can see the first one's running, and by now the second one's running, but the third one that I run will get skipped immediately. You can see here, skipped status, pipeline concurrency limit reached, 2 active runs, and here the actual task itself has been skipped as well. So what if I don't want this? You would go over to your concurrency settings in your pipeline and you would say, don't enable concurrency limit, update and save. It gets removed from your YAML block. It's just the concurrency setting max active gets removed, which means the default is there's no concurrency settings. And now if I try running again, it will work. And my pipeline is now running. Thanks.